English step by step. Pronunciation and spelling. Vowels and e, step 1. This video is one of a series of videos in which I look at the sounds and the spellings of English, and I'm looking at phonemes. So, you can watch my other video in which I talk about all the different sounds and spellings in English. Today, in this video, we're looking at the phonemes e and e. The first one, e, is like ship, live, England. And the second one, e, is like left, bread, many. So that's the two sounds, e and e. So let's first look at the spellings for this sound, e. Now, most words with this sound have the spelling e. For example, beg, met, mental, kettle, left. All of these words have the letter E to represent the phoneme E. Now, there are some very common exceptions, like bread and head. Now, these words have the spelling EA for this sound E. And then there are more uncommon, irregular spellings. For example, A in many, AI in said, IE in friend, and EI as in leisure. But these spellings are not very common. The most common one is the letter E for the phoneme E. Now the next phoneme is I, and the normal spelling for this phoneme is the letter I. For example, ship, fit, tin, lip, hit, chip, and pitch. The irregular spellings are, for example, the letter E in England or English, and the letter U as in busy or business, the letter UI as in building or build, and sometimes the word is spelled with a Y as in gym. So, the most common spelling is the letter I for the phoneme I. Now you can practice the sound and the spelling of these two phonemes. Now, you can do this with some listening and writing. You can see here I've got 15 examples of phonemes with E and I. The first 10 examples are individual words, and the next 5 examples are sentences. So you can listen and write down these examples to test yourself with the sounds and the spellings, particularly the spellings. So you can find the piece of paper and you can listen and write. So listen, think about the spelling and write the words. Number 1, belt, belt. Number 2, guess, guess. Number 3, head, head. Number 4, western, western. Number 5, measure, measure. Number 6, built, built. Number 7, guilt, guilt. Number 8, hid, hid. And that's the past tense of hide. Hid, hide. Number 9, mystery, mystery. Number 10, guild, guild. Now this word means a small group of people who have the same job or the same profession. It's called a guild, guild. So those are the 10 individual words. So let's move on to the sentences. Sentence number 11. The Christians sing hymns in the church service. The Christians sing hymns in the church service. Sentence 12. Many people visit England for business and pleasure. Many people visit England for business and pleasure. 13. The children read about the Greek myths. The children read about the Greek myths. Sentence 14. He dreamt that he was dead and went to heaven. He dreamt that he was dead and went to heaven. 15. She visited the pyramids in Egypt. She visited the pyramids in Egypt. That brings us to the end of this step 1 video on the sounds and e. Now you can move on to the step 2 video in which I'll give you the answers to that practice exercise so you can check your spelling and check your understanding of the pronunciation. Now, don't forget you can watch the overview video in which I talk about and give examples of all the phonemes, the sounds and the spellings of these phonemes in English. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.